nĩmagĩteanĩirie ndereti ya watho wa kigina ya mwaka wa 2023-2024 na iria ĩgĩtemanĩtio mbungeini miaraho ya umuthi kuligana na ajumbe aya maugĩte atĩ kigina kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩkĩũnganio nĩ thirikari ĩno ya kaunti ya Kiambu gĩtigĩkoretwo gĩkihuthika na njĩra yagĩrĩire na ĩrĩa ĩgĩtongoragio nĩ wathani wa gavana Kimani Wamatangi. No na ũkĩrĩgũkana maya mokĩte rĩrĩ ndereti ya gũkorwo kana kũhagũrwo kwa gavana ũyũ wa Kiambu nĩ Kimani Wamatangi ikĩonekete gũkorwo ĩkĩakĩrĩria na kũnyitia ngwatĩro.
The reasons where we see that the previous finance bill has not been effectively being acted upon because the governor has been collecting the money. Unfortunately, we have not been seeing any development in Kiambu County. So we are urging we've stopped this particular process to make sure that we see what the money that was collected in the last financial year, what it has done to Kiambu people. So what you mean is that right now, every coin that is being collected by the Kiambu County government is illegal. It is illegal, and we want to tell our people that now the finance bill that is supposed to show the direction on how much is supposed to be collected on like parkings to be collected in the business permit. They do not have any legitimacy up to now, and we urge them not to pay anything because how much whatever they are going to pay, we are not sure. We do not have any substantive amount that is supposed to pay.
Finance bill that have existed in previous years, we have not seen anything that has been happening on the ground. And therefore, as members and responsible members of this county, we decided that there is no need of you continuing taking money from people, whereas you're not giving the services. That is the main reason as to why members have declined to pass the finance bill.
However, there is a court case that the former majority leader had sued the party and the speaker. So the Honorable Kabu will not take over the seat until the court dispenses the case. We are hopeful that they expedite the process and the assembly will not stall because the members had elected Honorable Kabu as their majority leader.
Na tũgĩtigane na mbu cia Kiambu tũkĩhiũke nginya kũrĩa gĩcũa-inĩ na nĩ atĩ sekta ya ũkui kaunti-inĩ ya Mombatha nĩ ĩhĩmbĩirie mũtaratara wa ũkui kũhũthĩra hinya wa thitima nĩguo kũnina ndogo ya kaboni na ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo